Today I have another quick hairstyle for you. You know that I love quick hairstyles, especially on messy curl days like today. So it's just a simple twist back hairstyle. I'm gonna show you really quick. And I'm gonna show you 4 different hair accessories I use to change this look from day to night. Check it out. Hello, I'm April with Easy Curly Hairstyles, on a mission to help you maintain gorgeous, healthy curls every day. And I've been living with my curly hair free from the flat iron for only about 1.5 years, so I still have my fair share of messy hair days. And so I'm always trying to be creative with hairstyles to put it up. If I do my 5-minute refresh, that's all I give myself. If it doesn't come out the way I want it to look, I'm putting it up in a hairstyle. I usually do hairstyles that take less than 10 minutes, usually anywhere between 2 minutes to 10 minutes. And so this is one of those that's really quick and easy to do. I did a quick refresh and there was still some stringy parts, and the back actually, look, there's like no curl left here. So it just went straight underneath, which usually happens. It's curlier on the top and then more wavy on the bottom. And so what I did is I twisted my hair. There's no part. I didn't do any parting, so I just took my hair straight the way it was. I just started twisting one section. If you look at the side, there's no twist that you can see from the side. It's really tucked back, more towards the back of my head. So if you look at this angle, you can see that it's more in the back section, and I want to create a more streamlined look in the front. And just because in the shape of my head that looks better, I wanted a more narrower look in the front, because if you do the twists too close to your ears, the side of your head, it just has a wider appearance. And for me, I prefer it this way, tucked in towards the back. So I do have some lift that's already here. I did fluff out the roots. I tried even some teasing while I was doing my free refresh, and nothing was working out quite right. So I do have some bobby pins to help this twist stay in. So in a couple of sections. And the trick to doing this is I did one side and then I tied that with a hair tie. And then I did the other side and tied that with a hair tie. So I actually ended up having 2 little ponytails, which looked too juvenile for me. And so what I did is that just helped me hold my hair in place until I was all done. And then I held it with my hands, took out those hair ties, and then put a single hair tie in. This particular look, all I did was I'll show you how I did. I just took a little piece of hair to wrap it around. So more for everyday look. Changing out the earrings, changing out the makeup can really change the whole look. So I'll show you some other ways that I styled it with some of my favorite hair accessories. You've probably seen these with the band. This is a beautiful one that I found at J. Crew last winter. This is a fun one, like a tortoise shell. And then this fun scrunchie that I just found at Kohl's, and I'll show you my favorite barrette that I found at Nordstrom is also a tortoise shell one that's really beautiful. And I'll link that down below because that one is a new one and is available now. But I love these sort of timeless pieces because even the Nordstrom one was $28, and I thought, okay, that's quite a bit to spend on a barrette, but I saw it more as, you know, an investment piece, where some of these, they can be $12 or less, but these are classic and they never go out of style, and you can wear them with most any outfit because they just match with everything. So I'll show you how I styled it in these other looks. this gave you some fun ideas to mix up your everyday hairstyles as well. And if you have some more ideas for how to keep these baby hairs down, let me know, because that is a daily challenge. And it's been for my entire life. So that's something I'm still working on, especially with curlies, because these don't seem to curl all that much. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.